So if you just brake now, did you have a thorough check before? What's the thorough check? What does that involve? Do you remember? That's it.
Yes.
So it's all those blind spots we want to make sure, especially in car parks, because people run out from all different directions. That's brilliant. There's no one, it doesn't look like there's anyone about to drive off from a bay. There's no pedestrians. It is safe. So we're going to turn right here. So get that clutch nice and early, because we're going quite slow in the first gear. Whenever you're driving in first gear, you really do need lots and lots of clutch. Well done, look at that. Very, very nice. And what you'll see coming up shortly is a road on the left-hand side, and that's where we're going to turn left.
Okay.
Good mirrors. Brilliant. So at the traffic lights we are going to be turning left. Have a look at the road markings. Well done. Get clutch down nice and early. Very good. So when our light turns green, what can you expect to see? Is it just going to be a green, solid green light, or is it going to be something else?
I don't know, an arrow.
Yeah, well done. And that's because we've got two lanes here, isn't it? So if we had a green light, who's to say theirs isn't green? So you find that there's two lights, and ours is going to be a green arrow to the left, and theirs is going to be a green arrow to the right. Try it again. Well done. Set your gas. Beautiful, well done. You keep it nice and close to the left, and at the next set of traffic lights we're continuing straight, so we're just following the road ahead. Well done. Very nice. Keep your foot on that brake so we don't roll back. Do you need your handbrake for this, or are you okay without it?
Yeah, I think so.
So pull it up a little more. There you go. So with that left foot, you'll find the bike. You should hear it, feel it, and see it. There you go. Now keep those feet nice and still, and then gently lift off that clutch. Beautiful work. And at this roundabout, we're going to be turning left. It's the first exit, so I'll talk you through it first time. I can see you checking your mirrors. Well done. Fantastic. Maybe pop it into second. So what we're doing is looking to see if we can go, and we've got blockers there, so we can. Well done. So really what you want to do is look to see who's blocking them before you decide whether they're coming or not. This is quite tricky. Okay, lots and lots of traffic lights. We're going to be turning right at these traffic lights. So what I want you to do is mirror signal right for me. You're going to keep a look at the road markings. So we should be over there. Sorry, yeah. And this is the better lane. Ooh. Flying. Woo.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is because you've got two lanes here. You can see people going ahead have two lanes. Those turning left have one, and we have two. We have two as well.
Going there. Are we going there?
So pop your signal on for me. I'm going to let you decide where you're going. So if you look at the road signs and the road markings, that's a one-way.
So we
They're
are
coming
going
out.
that one.
Yeah, that's it. This is the one. So what you're looking for is those luminous yellow bollards with the white arrows, the blue background, and they'll kind of point you in the right direction. Now we're in the middle lane. What could you do before we get to these traffic lights?
Don't know.
We're going to move over into this lane. Any idea why I suggest that?
It's easy to emerge.
Because this is the driving lane. This is where we should all be, and all the other lanes are for overtaking. So if you are ever in, you know, anything other than the left-hand lane, you want to ask yourself why. Think about your go gear here. That's it. Yeah, left is best. That's a golden rule of learning to drive. We're going to move over into this middle lane. Good mirrors, well done. Any idea why I've suggested you move over into the middle lane? I'll give you a clue. Look at the road signs.
Because we're going straight.
Yes, well done. Good. So I want to cancel that signal. They'll think we're up to no good otherwise.
Didn't realise it was stop.
So we're going to keep left here. So slow it down nice and early. There we are. Press that clutch, go down on it all the way and steadily bring the car to a stop. Try and get it to the lines as close as you can without actually crossing over them. Now we're going to get ready to go again. You want to pop it into first. Very good. Keep that gas set. Beautiful. Well done. Now there is a roundabout here, and what we're doing is taking the first exit ahead. So again, you're going to mirror signal left. Good. You're going to pop it to second for me. Have you got time? The answer is yes. Well done. And once we've left the roundabout, you can cancel. Well done. Beautiful. It's really, really nice driving. Well done. Straight in this roundabout. It's the second exit ahead. So if we have a look at this one, it only has one lane on approach, doesn't it?
Yes.
But again, you are going to keep to the left for me, okay? We're not just going to cut through the whole roundabout. Do we have time to beat them? I think we do. Well done. So lots of gas. Good job. Now your mirror signal left. Good. Try not to get your hands tied up in a knot.
Yeah.
Struggling, so how are you going to do that? Beautiful, that's better. It's like it's going to try and rain, I just don't know if it is.
Yeah. Clouds don't look promising.
No. Okay, coming up at the roundabout, we're continuing straight, second exit ahead. Now it is a small roundabout, so it's not very big, but you do still need to signal to let everyone know when you're coming off. Where's that brake? We are flying towards it. That's better, well done. So now mirror signal left. Ooh. You can take your hand off the wheel to signal. Okay, don't think, oh, I need to keep hold of the wheel to. I see your fingers are stretched. You've got lovely long fingers, but even they're not long enough. Take your hand off and genuinely smack it down. Let's give it a good wallop. See how you get on with this next one. We're going to do the same. It's the second exit ahead, and I want to see you take that hand off the wheel. Don't struggle. Just reach for that indicator branch. So use your brake now. Get yourself all slowed down. What gear should we be in? That's better. Well done. Come off your clutch, but keep braking. Give yourself plenty of time to look. That's it. Hand off the wheel and signal left. That's better. Saw you clawing onto it again. You were like,
yeah,
oh, I actually
like,
physically took hand off the wheel. Coming up at this roundabout, we're going to be turning left. It's the first exit. First exit. So mirror signal, position, speed, and look. You want to get everything sorted nice and early. So yeah, clutch down for me. Ooh. What gear are we going to get it into now? Well done. Where should we be if we're turning left?
A bit over. Yeah.
It's our left foot that does all the magic. That's better. Well done. Pop the signal back on for me. Well done. The moment you see someone blocking them All signalling left, you're going to go. That white car's signalling. Go for gold, well done. Lovely. And that's how to read a roundabout, so you're kind of like preparing yourself. We're really, really prepared. Coming up at this next roundabout, we're going to do the same again. We're turning left, first exit. It's very busy around here though. It's not usually standstill traffic, but I'm not sure what's happening. Good. Kaci, that was really, really very smooth. Kaci. I was like, wait a minute. We're going to turn left here at this roundabout, first exit. So pop it into second. That's good, well done. You're going to come off your clutch. And you're going to look, can you go? Is that a person signalling if they are?
No.
Eyes back on the road, bring it round. Look at that, fantastic control. Really nice. Coming up at the next roundabout, we're going to be turning left, first exit. This is what we're just going to keep doing until you've mastered the art.
Okay.
MSPSL. Very nice.
I'm turning second.
So you can pop it to third. Don't force it. Since it's in neutral and straight up, try not to look. We're going to turn left here, first exit. Come on, you've got this.